Hello there. Let's have a quick technical analysis on NIO stock. As you probably know, NIO is a very popular Chinese EV maker. Today, before the market opening, it's just published its earning report, but the result didn't really meet the expectation. So pre-market is a little bit down like 4%. So how do you trade this stock intraday? I will show you my drawing, my technical analysis about this stock. As you can see here, this is the weekly chart of NIO. And from the downtrend, from the peak 66 down to $7, it's a really big plunge. And if you use Elliott wave theory, you could use it like this. This is the one wave, second, and third, and fourth, and fifth. So in this way, it got 5 waves. So after 5 waves, usually with the Elliott wave theory, it will have a ABC rebound or another 1, 2, 3. So here, this is one rebound. So what we need to focus on is to analyze this one wave. Will this one wave continue, or this is already 1, 2? So you need to make sure this is not the second wave, or it is the second wave for the rebound. All right, let's highlight this part from the $7. So, but in this chart, 1 week chart, you don't see that much. You have to zoom in to the day chart. Then we got more details in day chart. In the day chart, from the starting point, $7. This is the starting point. As you can see easily here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 4 waves already. So right now, the before market opening, the price is around 10 handles. So around here, just around here, you see the line here. And if it's this fourth wave, then it cannot touch this the first wave's peak, which is 10.21. So if it touches this point, that means here we'll have a trading range, or I call it trading platform. Then it's weak. It's weak. If it's touched the 10.21, then there will have also have a rebound. Make sure you sell some of your positions when it has a rebound, and then you could short it at this point after the rebound. It will continue to the downtrend. So that means in the weekly chart, in the up level, it will to finish. This is the model, right? It will try to finish this part in the model, the B wave, if we call it ABC. So in the day chart, that means this is the B wave. If there is a rebound, this one. So the strategy is quite simple. Let me repeat it. If today, if the downtrend, if we'll touch 10.2, that means here we'll have a trading platform or trading range. Then waiting for the rebound. If the rebound is very weak, you could use this Fibonacci to measure the rebound price level. As you can see here, we got 3 levels. If it's only touched the first one, means it's really weak, then you can short it at this price level and it will go down, waiting for the go down, and you can cover it after it's break the new low. In that way, it will try to finish the B wave in the weekly chart. So in this way, you are combining different time frames, the day chart, the weekly chart. So you have like 3D time frames. All right, that's the quick update for NIO stock.